Hey everyone, it's Ben with Michigan Hemp Solutions. Today I wanted to talk about biostimulants, and I also wanted to introduce you to our biostimulant, the one of many that we have. This is Metabolik SB. This is great for your transplant solution, seedlings in the greenhouse, as well as incorporating into your management program throughout the growing season. First, let's start off and talk about what is a biostimulant for those of you who don't know. And a biostimulant is a substance or a group of microorganisms whose function is to help the plant increase biological activity in the root zone and uptake nutrients more efficiently. So this isn't really looked at as a fertilizer product where you're giving a plant something and it's being fed. This is a means of helping increase the biological activity in the root zone. That way, nutrients that are in the soil already, as well as the nutrients that we're supplementing to our crops during production, can be uptaked in the crop really efficiently. So let's talk about water. And our roots help us get water during times of drought, as well as our roots hang out in lots of wet weather. So let's see how water moves. Moves uphill. So in times and in fields, every area of our field's a little bit different than another. So we have typically some wet spots and some dry spots. The point being, with having really strong, healthy roots, our plants can grow and root out and get water and nutrients at times of need. So this product starts out right in the greenhouse, specifically designed for dampening off when our seedlings come up and then they kind of fall over without any structure, especially in the cannabis industry with our seeds being expensive. We want to make sure from germination right there we're getting a good stand, a good foundation, because if that plant or clone, wherever it may be, a clone is going through a cutting and it is a stress condition period for that plant. So let's get some roots growing. Same thing with the seed, let's get some roots growing, let's stabilize that, and that plant wants to take off and get to growing. This is a biofermented base of molasses with plant hormones, IAA and IBA, as well as some B vitamins and a trace mineral package. So what we notice is we use this through propagation in the greenhouse. We develop some really good feeder roots, and as well as we can increase the time that our plugs need to be transplanted. We do 72 count trays of hemp plugs here at our farm and have great success. Been using this in our vegetable production program for about 7 years now. And we also include this throughout the growing season in our foiler program. Just a couple ounces per 5 gallons of water through a foiler feed will basically inoculate that root zone in the rhizosphere. And when you have all that inoculation going on in the rhizosphere, that plant will be able to uptake nutrients more efficiently and give your plant a good source of energy.